In this video, we are quickly going to have a look how to search for a specific pattern in a column using T-SQL. So if we want to find out all the employee names which start from A, we are going to use the like operator. So we have an employees table which has the first name, last name, and the employee ID. We want to find out all the first names which starts from A. Select star from employees, order by employee ID. This sorts the employees table data on the basis of employee ID in ascending order. If we want to find out the first names from the same table where the first name starts from A, select first name from employees where first name like A %. A like operator is used in the where clause to search for a specified pattern, and when we specify A %, it is searching for all the names starting from alphabet A. Person represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. So let us execute this query to see all the names starting from the letter A. As you can see, this is the employees data, and Alice is the name which starts from the letter A. And now if you want to find out all the names that begin with either A or N, select first name from employees where first name like A %, or first name like N %. Again, % represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, and we are using or between these two conditions. So all the names starting from A or all the names starting from N will come up with this query. Alice and Noah is the output of this query here. So these are the first names either starting with A or N. That was it. Do put in the comments below if you want any other topic to be discussed as well. Thank you so much for watching.